Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Lollipop Play-Doh. First, gather your ingredients. You will need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of salt, and 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar. Also, have 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, and your favorite food coloring ready. Don't forget lollipop sticks and small cellophane squares for the fun finishing touches. Now let's combine our ingredients. In a large bowl, whisk together the dry components, the flour, salt, and cream of tartar. In a separate bowl, mix the water, cooking oil, and a few drops of your chosen food coloring. Gradually add the colorful wet mixture to the dry ingredients, stirring continuously until a soft, sticky dough begins to form. Next, we'll cook our Play-Doh. Transfer the mixture to a non-stick pan and cook over medium heat, stirring constantly for about 3 to 5 minutes. The dough will thicken and form a ball, pulling away from the sides of the pan. Once cooled slightly, knead the dough on a lightly floured surface for approximately 5 minutes until it becomes wonderfully smooth and pliable. Finally, let's create our lollipop shapes. Divide your colorful Play-Doh into small, equal portions. Roll each portion into a long, thin snake, then carefully coil it around the top of a lollipop stick to form a spiral. For an extra touch of realism, wrap each finished Play-Doh lollipop in a small square of cellophane. Enjoy your vibrant, homemade creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.